Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying your Redmi K20 runs MIUI 11 or later, and that battery is above 20%. Once done, enable developer options quickly. Settings, About Phone, tap MIUI 7 times. Make sure to back up or note your current navigation bar and gesture settings so you can revert if needed. Now open Settings and go straight to Additional Settings. We'll change system behavior rather than install third-party apps, because MIUI restricts deep navbar edits without ADB or root. You'll now use ADB on your computer to access hidden MIUI flags. This is the only reliable way without root. First, install ADB, enable USB debugging and developer options, and connect the phone. Accept the PC authorization prompt. Then open a command prompt and run the specific ADB shell settings, put / get commands to change navigation bar mode or gesture sensitivity. Be precise with the flags because MIUI stores values differently. Once you've applied ADB changes, reboot the Redmi K20 to make them take effect. Make sure the navigation bar or gestures behave as expected. If something is wrong, revert by running the reverse ADB commands or restore your noted settings. If the navbar disappears, boot into safe mode to diagnose a conflicting app and only consider a factory reset as a last resort. Remember, ADB edits are powerful double-check commands, and if you get stuck, restore the original values you backed up.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.